Hello viewers, this is my first video where I'm speaking. If I do any mistake, pardon me. Today I will show you how to make a notebook. If there is no notebook, you can write in and you have finished your notebooks which you have, then you can follow these steps to make a notebook of your own. It's very easy. First take some white papers, then fold it like this way, and for this, for cover, take a calendar page and put the papers in into the calendar page and fold it in this way. Fold it in this way. I will show again. This is the pieces of paper, and here's the calendar page. Put it into the middle of it and cover it like this way. Okay, now you need a cover for piece of paper because there is risk of water, there is risk of to cut it off. So if you use a cover, then it will be easy to uh, keep it safe from water and people. So take it in this way, and then fold it again this way and fold it here also like this. Okay, this is the folding of paper, and now cut the papers. So there is an extension, you can cut it off with scissor. And again, this part also you should cut in the same way. Oh, sorry, this is not equal, so cut it like this. Keep it straight, that looks nice if you keep it straight and equal. Okay, now set the paper here again and cut it both sides. Like this. Okay, so you need to cut it here also, because it is very large in the middle side. So you don't need that much. You can cut it off this portion. It's a very easy technique, and you can write your secret ideas, secret notes here. very easily. This is not straight. There are some curves in the page, so it's not the outer side, it's the inside side. So if it is not straight, it's not a problem. Just just fold it like this. Like this, and like this. And power it up with like that. We used to follow in our school life, and stapler it. Staple it again this side. Thus it take strong, and don't forget to stimulate again here, and here another. So now like this, and stapler here. So this is a easy and time saved work you can do for your own, and you can share your feelings, you can write your inner thoughts here. This is look nice, yeah. It's also a picture of mosque. So here it is. Thank you for seeing that, and if you like this, subscribe my channel. Thank you.